Hey, Happy New Year, folks. Hope everybody's well. Here's here's not because you're not expecting this, but here are some dashes for the Porsche 928. And one of these is available for sale if anybody is interested. This one, I'm going to just, two of these are done. One is sold to a customer, Patrick, and then these other two are going to be available here pretty soon. Here's one with the nice cracks on it, and here's one with the cracks that were on it that are now fixed, almost ready to go back to the upholstery shop to get the covers put on. So I made a video before about this process, showing it being done with 3 dashboards, one that was in the raw form, one that was in the filled form, the glue form, this one, and then one that was complete. But I've never done a video showing both of them, or 2 dashes being complete at the same time. So here's the inside of one of them. So you can see how it's put together on the inside. Anybody that knows anything about upholstery knows how this is done. And then here's the face when it is done. Try not to get them dirty, but and you can see it has the 1/4-inch foam underneath the vinyl cover. Whereas the original ones were just injection molded and they crack. So there that is, my friends. Porsche 928. This one's going out to customer, and the other one's available. So if anybody wants one, let me know. It's pretty cool right around the ignition module, how it's a little bit different. It's kind of neat. They did a really good job. The upholstery shop locally right next door to me, basically. Okay, there it is. Cheers.